Welcome to all my dear colleagues and my teachers. My name is C. Vishnuvardhan, studying 9th grade in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today, I am going to show you a project based on electrostatic force, which is known by everybody, but let us take an activity to understand this electrostatic force in detail. To perform this project, I took a comb and piece of papers. By the main aim of this project is to show that the electrons are the fundamental particles in every matter. Now let us skip into this project. The procedure of this project include the rubbing of this comb with our hair and making it to the paper particles. Now let us do that. I am rubbing the comb with dry hair. Make your hair as dry so that it is easy to attract the particles. I am rubbing my hair and I continually rubbing my hair. And when I take the comb near the paper particles are attracting towards each other. This is due to the electrons present on the surface of the comb. The electrons present on the surface of the comb attract the paper particles towards itself. This shows that there is a charged particles on the surface of this comb. These charged particles are later known as the electrons. This is the project to show that the electrons are the fundamental particles in every matter. Now let us take a quick look on another project on the same aim on the presence of charged particles in another or any other particles. In this activity, I took two balloons, that is two or inflated balloons, and I tied one balloon with a thread so that it inflate in the air. Now I am going to rub this balloon with my hair. As you can see here, I am rubbing my balloon with my hair, that is the dry hair. When we are rubbing, the electrons present in the balloon comes out of the surface due to the ionization potential, which is known by everybody. Now I am continuing rubbing the balloon with my hair, and when I take the balloon near to this balloon, the balloon is attracting towards this balloon. As you can see here, the balloon is attracting towards this balloon. This is due to the electrons present on the surface of the balloon attract this balloon due to some charge that is known as the electrostatic charge. So this also shows that the electrons are present in the comb and the balloon and etc. This shows that electrons are the fundamental particles in any particle, either it may be solid or anything. This is the aim of this balloon project. Now let us skip into another project which is very interesting to show that the electrons are the fundamental particles in any particle. So let us conclude by completing that project. This is our third project. In this project, I took a balloon which is taken before the project, and I took a glass rod structure, that is simply a scale which is present with every student. Then the procedure of this project include that the rubbing with the glass rod with any silk cloth or any cloth and making it to attract the balloon. Now let us do that. I am rubbing this scale with my cloth, and when I continuously rubbing the scale, this scale is going to be charged by the heat generated between the scale and the cloth. I am rubbing the scale with the cloth. Now let us do that. And when I kept the scale nearer to the balloon is going to attract towards the scale. This is due to the same thing, that is the electrons comes out of the scale and settle at the surface of the scale. These particles, that is the charged particles, attracts the inflated balloon towards itself. Therefore, we can state that electrons are the fundamental particles and there is some charged particles in every atom, and we can show that the Dalton's atomic theory was wrong. That is the main statement, that is atom is indivisible, is wrong. It contains another fundamental particles such as electrons and some positively charged particles, that is protons, and some massive particles, that is neutrons. This is my project. I hope this project is liked by you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.